My name is Stig Helveg, and I'm a professor here at the Geophysics, and I'm also heading the Center for Visualizing Catalytic Processes, which has a mission, which is to go and visualize catalysis by single nanoparticles. A catalyst, that's a substance that can speed up a chemical reaction or lower energy consumption. And this is immensely important for our everyday life. It is about producing fertilizers such that we can have food. It is for producing chemicals for most of the construction materials that surround us. And it is to create green fuels that do not pollute. When we talk about catalysts, people are thinking mostly about the three-way catalyst that sits at the exhaust pipe of a gasoline car. That was developed and introduced in the 70s and made it possible to live in large urban areas where it reduces the emissions that led to smog. Catalysis has originally been a trial and error method, but what we have learned over time is that the nature of the catalyst, that means that their chemical composition, but also their detailed atomic level structure, has a huge impact on the way that a catalyst functions. And this is what we are basically doing here in the Vision Center. By studying interactions at surfaces using the electron microscope, it's my hope that we will learn much more about how gas molecules are absorbing and reacting at surfaces. That could relate to insight into how do you capture CO2, how do you convert CO2, but also other molecules like nitrogen. How can we reduce nitrogen into ammonia as a fertilizer in a much more efficient way? Or to remove off gases from different kinds of industrial applications. I think there's a wide span of technologies where we, with this detailed insight from the new microscope, will be able to impact for a better and greener future.